Sanibona bafethu Uvani. I'm sure abantu abaningi bayithanda lento engizoyisho la. But ke iyiqiniso and kumele si-embrace. As abalandeli bebhola la eSouth Africa, ukuwina kweMamelodi Sundowns against iAsfar kuzothatha ibhola la eSouth Africa lilibeke ezingeni eliphezulu. Why ngisho njalo na? Ama-club amaningi aphesheya azoqala ayithathe serious inina iPSL. If ubheka kahle, most countries la eAfrica a-exporta abadlali abayisele eEurope. A-exporta abadlali abayisele ama-league lawa ehlezi siwabuka ko-Premier League, ko-La Liga, ko-Bundesliga. There are many Nigerians who are playing le. There are many Moroccans who are playing le eEurope. There are many Egyptians who are playing le eEurope. There are many Senegalese who are playing le eEurope. I know some of those players, they start training besabencane bedlala ibhola behlala khona vele le eEurope. But ke most yabanye balandwa khona la eAfrica. Mohamed Salah balandwa khona la eAfrica. Sadio Mane balandwa khona la eAfrica. Bani na Osimhen balandwa khona la eAfrica, yabo, because lama team lawa ayawazi ama-club, ayawazi futhi nama-leagues akhona, yabo. And enye into i-national team dominance, yabo. Lo ma-national teams dominate eAfrica. Nayo iBafana Bafana right now yenza kahle. Njengoba nje yenza kahle iBafana Bafana ukuwina kweMamelodi Sundowns inina iCAF Champions League, bazobona ukuthi hayibo iBafana Bafana they qualified for i-World Cup. Njengoba bequalifyile for i-World Cup, yiple team le kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns eyenza kahle kanje. Ingaba nabadlali abakanjani? If ukhumbula kahle, after iMamelodi Sundowns iwine inina iCAF Champions League ngo-2016, kanani abadlali abasuka la eSouth Africa bale kuma-league aphesheya. Sasigcineni ukubona umdlali wala eSouth Africa edlala kwinina kwi-Premier League. Kade sagcina ukubona umdlali wala eSouth Africa edlala ku-Premier League. But ke sakwazi ke sikubone lokho after iMamelodi Sundowns iwinile iCAF Champions League. I know it was 2 years later, but we ended up seeing a South African playing kuyona iPremier League okuba nina okuphesita. Abadlali abanjengobongani Zungu sababona bedlala le khona ku-League 1. Sababona uLyle Foster bedlala khona ku-League 1. Sababona uKiko Ntuli bedlala khona le. Obongani Zungu behamba beyale ko-MLS. After yona iMamelodi Sundowns ithathile inina iCAF Champions League, there are many players I can count, yabo, after 2016 abakwazi ukuthi ke basuke la South Africa bayelepha. And one thing I would say iSouth Africa, ibhola la South Africa ungalithatha as inina, ungalithatha as ibhola la kwi-League 1. Why ngisho njalo? Kwi-League 1 there is one team edominator okuyina okuyi-PSG. If you look at iPSG indlela edlala ngakhona, iPSG bafethu inezitars zonke ungayicabanga. So ama-team amaningi ayayimonitor i-situation ya kwi-League 1. Njengoba nje beyimonitor, they see ukuthi okay, iPSG inabadlali abantswempu. Njengoba nje inabadlali abantswempu, imaphi ama-team adlala against iPSG adlala kwi-League 1. Yebo, ingabe wona adlala kanjani? Ingabe wona anawo inamathalente amancane asengakwazi ke ayi-challenge iPSG, yabo, because there are many teams ayi-challenge iPSG, yabo. Bakhona oNice, bakhona Lyon, bakhona oBrest lapha bafethu, ikhona iMonaco, yabo, bakhona oMarseille, yabo. They have best players. Ama-team amaningi ayi-monitor situation abona ukuthi okay, nalama team lawa ayi-challenge iPSG, even though iPSG inabadlali abantswempu, but ke there are teams akhona kwi-League 1 a-challengeayo iPSG. Why don't we go and sign those players? Singabasayini abadlali bePSG, because iPSG obvious izosicharge imali eningi, yabo. I'm sure niyangibona ukuthi ke ngiyabi nale nkulumo. Why singasayini abadlali laba aba-challenger inina iPSG? Because iPSG inabadlali abaningi ababizayo, same as kwi-Betway Premiership. If iMamelodi Sundowns iwin iCAF Champions League, obvious iSundowns izowenza abadlali babo babize. Bazobizelani na? It's because basathanda kuwina iCAF Champions League. So azobona ama-team aphesheya ukuthi cha, asingasayini kakhulu kwi-Sundowns. Yes, asibheke ukuthi oba singabathola, but ke sibheke kwi-league abayidlalelayo ukuthi ke ukuze bafike babenswempu kanje, ngeke bavele babenswempu nje out of the blue. Ngeke iSundowns idlale with weak teams week in week out. Akhona ama-team vele akhona kule league abayidlalelayo adlala kahle, anabadlali abantswempu. Mase bebheke kwi-league esiyidlalelayo, they will see ukuthi there are many talented players abakhona, yabo. Njengoba nje iBafana Bafana izohamba iyele ku-World Cup, naloko kuzo-eda. There are many players ozobabona behamba kwi-Betway Premiership bodlala phesheya. If iMamelodi Sundowns iwin iCAF Champions League and if iBafana Bafana yenza kahle le ku-World Cup. But ke wena ungangitshela ngokwakho Mina all I'm saying is that kuzoyibenefita i-PSL if i-Sundowns iwina i-CAF Champions League. It wouldn't be nice. It wouldn't be nice as an opposing team fan, but yeah, it will benefit the PSL as a whole because sizobukeka as i-league ene-standard esi-right esporta abadlali abaningi abawudlala le-Europe. We must export more players abadlala le-Europe. Lokho kuzosiza i-national team yethu. Yebo. Kuzoyisiza i-national team yethu. I feel like iyona into eshoda ngayo when it comes to i-continental domination. Dominate enough. Kuyabonakala ukuthi sishoda lapho nalapho. Yabo. Some people may tell you ukuthi ke ukuya e-Europe ukuya le nale akusizi. Trust me, it does help. It does help ukuya le nale kuyodlala kuma league aphesheya. Because kuvula i-pathway. Kuvula i-pathway eningi kakhulu kumanye ama-footballers akhona. Because if a South African can go and dominate go Premier League, can go and dominate go La Liga, that will open up many doors and they will come back to your home country and search for another big star esinjengalo odominator kuleyo league. Yabo. And lokho kuzodala more and more young footballers be like that player who's playing at the Premier League. Yabo. So mina I'm rooting for Mamelodi Sundowns. Sike ithathe bafethu i-CAF Champions League. Ayikabi. Yabo. Ayikabi. I like ibhola la South Africa. I really love the PSL. I breathe the PSL. I wake up and go to sleep nge-PSL. Yabo. So I like when other PSL teams are performing and they are putting the map. They are putting our South African football on the map. Yabo. So I just hope nje bafethu babuya nama results akahle bakwazi ukuthi ke bayiphakamise iSouth Africa. Hayi ke okweligi ke niyakwazi ukuthi okweligi kuyapha.